understanding language variations, exploring regional and social language differences. So what is a dialect? Dialect is a regional or social variety of a language that differs from the standard language in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. So in other words, the dialect is used in a certain places depending on its regions or its location or or where you are located in the world. So there are four kinds of dialects. First is the regional dialect. It is based on the geographical location. Second is the social dialect. It is based on socio-economic and cultural. Third is ethnic dialects. It is based on racial and ethnic groups. Lastly is the occupational dialects, which is the professional jargons. So, since our topic is broad, we only focus on the dialects of the Philippines, which will be discussed by my two proponents. Dialects in the Philippines. First is the regional dialects. The Tagalog, Cebuano, Ilocana, and Ilocano. Next is the social dialects. The Jejimon, Galingo, Begi-Kono. Next is the ethnic dialects, which is the Tausug, Kapampangan, Pangasinan, Waray-Waray. And the last is the occupational dialects, maritime, medical, military, and teacher. Regional dialects, also called a regiolect or toponym. A regional dialect is a form of language unique to a geographical area or region. They are characterized by distinct features of pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and usage that are different from other dialects of the same language spoken in other areas. The dialects in Tagalog. Magandang umaga, kamusta ka? In Ilocano, naibag kabigat kasan ka? In Cebuano, maayong bunta, kamusta ka? In Hiligaynon, maayong aga, kamusta ka? They all mean in English, good morning, how are you? Next is social dialects, socio-economic cultural. Social dialects refer to variations in language used that occur within different social groups. These variations are often influenced by factors such as social class, educational level, age, occupation, ethnicity, or gender. Social dialects can involve differences in vocabulary, pronunciation or accent, grammar, and usage patterns. So first is Jejimon, a form of playful, internet-based language in the Philippines. It combines elements of text, speak, letter manipulation, and intentional misspellings. So, Jejimon is a cyber dialect that originated in the Philippines as young people try to sort in text message. It's characterized by misspelled words strung together without punctuation or syntax. Ang sa Jejimon kay nang ginahimo nila ka short ang mga message nila like SLR, like reply, like Sige. Next is the Gaelico, also known as word speak of Bikimon, is a form of Filipino language used by the LGBTQ plus community, particularly in the Philippines, like mga shubi, like that, mga chaka. Next is the Becky, a term often used in the Philippines to refer to a gay man or someone who is part of the LGBTQ community, particularly in the context of Filipino slang and gay lingo or sword speaks. The word is a playful and informal term that has evolved over time. While it originally referred to a gay man, it has since been broadened to refer to anyone who embraces femininity, fashion, and sometimes be used as a term of endearment or even humorously as a light-hearted of self-referential way. Next is the konyo. A konyo is a specific way of speaking around a particular social group, often characterized by the mixing of English and Filipino. Typically in an upper-class urban context, it is usually associated with young, affluent Filipinos who are often seen as adopting Western or high society mannerisms, including their speech.
member of a particular ethnic group or community. In the Philippines, ethnic dialects refer to the local languages or linguistic variation spoken by different ethno-linguistic and cultural groups. These dialects are influenced by the group's cultural identity, tradition, and social experiences. They often reflect not only linguistic characteristics, such as vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar, but also cultural practices, values, and historical context. Tausug, Kapampangan, and Pangasinan, and Waray-Waray. Ethnic dialects. Ethnic dialects in Tausug, spoken primarily by the Tausug people in the Sulu archipelago of the Philippines. It belongs to the larger Austronesian language family, has unique vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammatical feature. In the Tausug people, predominantly found in the Sulu archipelago in the southern Philippines, have their own distinct ethnic dialect called Tausug or Sinug or Bahasa Sog. Example of word in Tausug. In English, good morning. In Tausug, marayaw na agaw. Kapampangan, one of the major languages spoken in the Central Luzon region of the Philippines, particularly in the province of Pampanga, is known for its unique vocabulary and pronunciation, which distinguishes it from other languages in the Philippines, like Tagalog and Ilonggo. The dialect in Kapampangan people is called Kapampangan, also known as Amanong Simon, Siswan, the nurtured language. It is one of the major regional languages of the Philippines, primarily spoken in the Pampanga province and some part of Tarlac, Bataan and nearly areas in Central Luzon. Example of common process in Kapampangan. How are you? Kumusta ka? In Pangasinan, spoken primarily in the province of Pangasinan, located in the northern part of the Philippines. It belongs to the Malayo-Polynesian branch of Austronesian language family. The language has its own unique vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar that distinguishes it from other languages spoken in the country. There are examples of processes in Pangasinan. Thank you. Salamat. Waray-Waray, spoken in the Eastern Visayas region of the Philippines, particularly in the province of Samar, Leyte, and Biliran. It is a part of the Visayan language group, has its own distinct vocabulary and grammar. The process in Waray-Waray, what is your name? Is Hin and Imong. Occupational dialect or professional jargon refer to the specialized language or jargon used by people within a particular profession, industry, or occupation. Occupational in the Philippines refer to the language variation of jargon that emerge within specific profession, trades, and industries. Occupational dialect, maritime, refer to the specialized language, terminology, jargon used by those working on ships, sports, or within maritime operation. This includes related to navigation, safety, ship parts, and operational procedure. These specialized terms ensure clear and efficient communication, which is crucial in high professional or time-sensitive situation. In medical, are specialized terms, jargon, and abbreviation used by healthcare professionals and communicate efficiently efficiently and accurately about condition, treatments, and procedures. This term often incorporate Latin, Greek, and other languages, making them difficult for those outside the medical profession to understand. In military dialects, this includes specialized terms and acronyms and processes used for quick and efficient communication during operation. Training and daily activities, these terms ensure clarity and reduce miscommunication in pressure situation, with language designed to be brief, direct, and easily to understand. Dialect in teacher refer to the specialized language and terminology teachers use to communicate effectively in the classroom with colleges and students. These include teaching method, educational jargon, classroom management, and strategies, and abbreviation related to tools and assessment.